In order to take a screenshot on your Mac, there are a few different ways to go about doing it. So the first way is if you want to take a screenshot of your entire desktop. So here we are on my entire desktop on my Mac, and if you go to your keyboard and hold down the Command, Shift, and then 3 buttons on your keyboard, you can see here it is in the lower right-hand corner, and I can click and hold and even drag that screenshot into an Apple Note. So there is the full screenshot of my entire desktop. So I'm going to show a picture of a keyboard showing you exactly what keys to push. So it's the Command Shift 3 for a full screen screenshot. And then if we hold down Command Shift 4, you can see that our cursor becomes a crosshair. And there's some numbers telling you where you are on both X and Y axis of the screen. So if we want to take a partial screenshot, we would go here, we would now click and hold, and then drag wherever we wanted to create a screenshot, and then release the mouse. And as you can see, here is that partial screenshot, and I can put that here in this Apple Note. So that's how you do a full screen and a partial. If you want to do just a specific window, so what we'll do is we will delete everything here in this Apple Note. Let's say we only want to create a screenshot of a specific window or application on our Mac. What you would then do is go to Command Shift 4 space. And then when you do that, you can see the cursor becomes a camera icon. So the camera icon, then you can hover over a specific application like Apple Notes here, and then just click into it. And as you can see, when we preview that screenshot, it's only showing that application. So this is great for demoing software and if you're only wanting a screenshot of a specific application. So again, Command Shift 3 for the full screen, Command Shift 4 for partial for you to select, and Command Shift 4 space for you to take a screenshot of a specific app or window that's open. Now, where do these screenshots go? They go to our desktop. As we can see over here, here's our list of screenshots. We can do anything we want with them as we would any file. We can select them, press space to preview them. We can click and hold and drag them to different apps as I've done here. You can right click on them and rename them if we want. Again, all of that can be done just like a normal file. And that's it. I'll have some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.